Good day everyone. This is my solution for our mathematics performance task. I will show my illustrations, formulas, and answer for the two problems on this Manila paper. Problem 1. The ladder. First, problem number 1, we have a ladder that is 3.0 meters long. Leaning against a wall, we need to find the height h. How high up the wall the ladder touches. In the given problem, the exact measure of the angle between the ladder and the wall is not provided. I will show you the correct way to solve it. Since the ladder is the hypotenuse of the right triangles and the height h is the side adjacent to the missing angle, we use the cosine ratio. Cos equal adjacent hypotenuse. Cos equals h 3.0. So, the formula becomes h equals 3.0x cos. For example, if the angle was 60 degrees, the height would be 1.5 meters, but since the angle is not given in the problem, this is the correct formula and solution setup we follow. Problem 2. Building and tower. Next problem, number 2. A person stands a window 40 meters above the ground. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degrees, and the angle of depression to the base of the tower is 45 degrees. We need to find the distance between the building and the tower, and the total height of the tower. First, to find the distance, x, we use the tangent ratio with the 45 degrees angle. Tan 45 degrees equals 40. X equals 40. Tan 45 degrees equals 40 and 1 equals 40.0 meters. So, the building is 40.0 meters away from the tower. Second, to find the height of the tower above the window, y. We use the 30 degrees angle. Tan 30 degrees equals y 40. Y equals 40 x tan 30 degrees equal, I mean approx 23.1 meters. Then the total height of the tower h equals 40 plus 23.1 equals 63.1 meters. This is already rounded to the nearest tenth as required. That is all of my solutions. All illustrations, formulas, and computations are complete and correct. Thank you.